This is a 2006 BMW 525. Its top features include a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, alloy wheels, and many other features. The following features are also included: memory seat controls, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a security system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
BMW of Columbia is located at 5919 Two Notch Road in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.